Camping Mates Australia to stay at a hip camp by the name of Babbling Brook down at Nowra somewhere. I don't know exactly where it is, but we've got a pin, so we're going to follow that. Me here, and then I've got Casey in the back. Stick your head in the middle and say hi, Casey. Hi. The storm clouds have rolled in, there's lightning everywhere, it's looking apocalyptic right now, so it looks like it might be a bit of a fun night camping, but as they say, even a horrible day camping is better than a great day at work, yeah? So I'll just put a bit more of this lightning on the camera. Looks like we've arrived at Babbling Brook Camp. Just going through the gate now.
What's it got, mate?
How are you, bro?
Welcome to the camp.
Oh, it's a good looking camp, mate. Look at this.
Not bad, huh?
This looks mint. Hey, man. How's it going, buddy?
Hello.
This is a beautiful looking camp, hey? It is a beautiful camp. How mint is that?
No. Scout, you're not going water. No.
So you show. Well, we've arrived at camp and there's a Tarzan swing. So, Casey's just about to have a crack at the Tarzan swing. I'm going to go film her. Let it rip, see it or chip. Let go.
Let go.
Don't let go. You're supposed to let go. Give Evie a crack. Old Scouty's going to help.
Scouty wants
to reset. You can stay in the water, but just stay down there. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, wow. That's crafty.
I killed it.
That's awesome. Good girl. If Mum was here, she'd be panicking about this. Babe, you're gonna love watching this. You might not actually, but it's good anyway. Go!
Whoa, that's
Oh! You alright? You okay?
Yuck!
It's okay, you're alright, It's alright, just come in, come on.
It's yucky!
What is yucky?
It's yucky to look at!
Let go.
It's getting your face all over. You guys sound like... Oh my God, these guys. Just leave the tree alone, John. Oh God, no.
It's in his way, mate. You can't see the number 3, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so Casey's got a little bit of a surprise for Kayson, because he's a man that does love a pike with a Nutella. So we're going to butter that, and then we're going to go over and give it to Kayson and film his reaction. I think Scout wouldn't mind a taste of that either. Right, go give it to him. Oh, okay.
You can't just make one without the second.
Should we put butter as well? Is that how you made it last time? Oh, sorry, I will never question the Nutella expert.
I Nutella expert never question.
Just put it there for now. Let's go. Wait. Wait up, Ken. Every hard-working lumberjack needs a good treat, mate, so when you're ready.
Don't you love the chainsaw? Oh, hi, Klutz. I'll grab one later.
He's made them for you, fair dinkum, mate. Like,
I'll have one. None of this one.
wow.
This one looks better.
That was all on film too.
Oh,
That went deep.
Sorry. Oh wow! Wow! Look at the face. Sorry, Casey.
What do you got there, John?
I win.
Bit of oil, mate.
Have some rice bran oil.
Rice bran oil. Why'd you go for the rice bran oil, mate?
I don't know, looked okay. It said deep frying on it.
I actually did note that Harry Fisher always suggests rice bran oil and
What does it?
fire to fork. Yeah, loves it.
There you go.
Seems to know what he's talking about too, so I guess that's a good oil.
Yeah.
Evie! What do you got to say to the camera, Evie?
Hi, I'm on the water.
You want some French fries, Evie?
I'm gonna put it there.
Next to Casey now.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Alright fellas, what do you got here? We're going to do a bit of a cooking segment today. We're going to cook some sort of, what are you going to call it? Indolunka, sort of collaboration wife, because I'm going to put some, I don't know, sort of a weird marinated chicken and rice together. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, so we've got a camp oven going on here. It's a bit smoky stuff, and I'm going to get John to help me out to open
Hey
the...
mate, you need a hand?
Yeah, brah.
Or you want some chicken cut?
Yes.
Sealed bag, no worries, let me just trim
Oh.
this one,
Wow. Oh,
mate.
careful.
Watch your fingers, mate, I don't wanna...
No. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Hey?
Wow.
There we go.
There you go. So when I say it's a sort of Indo-Lanka sort of a vibe, because I've marinated chicken with yogurt. That's what they do. And then I've got here. I've got a bit of turmeric, a bit of a chili powder, and a bit of a curry powder, and 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, and 1 kilo of chicken thigh fillets, the good ones. I'm gonna chuck this right into this one. Oh, listen to that. Oh, So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna char the chicken in the grill. Doesn't have to cook all the way through, because we're gonna cook it later properly.
You don't want a pink?
Absolutely not. So what I'm trying to do is I'm keeping all the good juices inside the pot, so we can use it as a sort of marinated sauce for my rice. All right, John, I'm going to get you to cut me an onion, if you can. That'd be great. Can you see your dad? Oh, smell that. Smell that. I had about 3 cups of rice, about 300 grams of rice, and to match that I'm going to add 4.5-5 cups of water.
Wow.
I'm putting some ginger, about that much I reckon. Go in all the way in with some garlic.
I did some.
More, that's not enough. More.
That's not enough?
There we go.
That's enough.
That's better.
So in here, onion, garlic, and ginger. And I'm gonna pour in all my rice into this one. So what I'm gonna try and do is, I'm gonna fry the rice just a bit. Well, this is not what you think it is. This is coconut powder. I'm gonna add all the chicken into the pot. Just like that. So I added all the chicken into the mix. And I'm gonna close the lid down and I'm gonna cook it about 20 minutes slow heat and see what happens. So get a look at that. Looks alright to me. I reckon that'll do. Put some greens into the pot to make it look nice and pretty. Bit of this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Bit of a chef touch. Look at this. Oh, yummo.
Thank you, sir.
Good, mate, let me try some for you. That has hit the spot at 10.
Oh.
Whoa, wow.
Hey?
Here's a ton of
Who's
that.
Well,
We're okay, Sean. He's not known for punctuality, but damn, he can cook.
wow. Mr. Late. That's what they call me. Alright. On that note,
We're going to have a couple of beers. On that note, we're going to have a couple of beers and a beautiful feed and enjoy the rest of this lovely night.
Yeah, I've got to put it back on the fire later and just let it smoke all of that oil away.
Trying to smother it.
yep. Oh.
Yeah, you might not want to sit there.
No, just get off. Oh well.
If I close the lid, it should bloody take it off.
You wanted this.
Not that hard. Yeah, move the stuff back, eh? Yeah, move the stuff back, eh?
That should have closed it off.
Take it off.
Oh wow.
That's going to be going for a while. John's hating it, eh? John's
John's doesn't like that. He doesn't like it.
Well, I like to sit on my seat without it soaking wet. Evie!
Oh no. First stage is we're going to get this pan happening.
Cooking it away.
And then after we have breakfast, we're going to rig up your fishing rod, Casey. Now he feels
bacon.
that's ham, but you know, whatever.
Get tasty.
Same animal, different thing.
I'm gonna put the eggs in the packets, put them in the bowls, mix them up, and then scramble them in the pan.
You would drink, what would you like? Lemonade or red drink or
Red drink.
give you something with a bit of kick in the morning?
Well, I can see from here.
A bit of fishing. If you wanna try and do a bit of fishing.
Fishing stuff for her as well.
Can I borrow a hook, a float and a sinker?
Dad, color yellow.
We're on our way home. We had a fantastic trip, and now we're going to go get slushies. What do you think about slushies?
I don't know.
You don't know? You say you don't like them, so we shouldn't bother stopping?
No!
No, you like them?
Good, yes!
Alright, so we made it to 7-Eleven. Casey's just, there we go, topping off that slushy. I got a green one, which happens to be Pine Lime Float. What did you get, Casey?
Coke and raspberry.
Coke and raspberry. Now we're going to go and get some Krispy Kremes. We're going to go get some Krispy Kremes or what? Or should we be good? Nah, road trip, man. Got to get Krispy Kremes on the road trip. We've had a really good trip, and this pretty much wraps it up.